which runs through the air. And it is a combination of solar energy and lunar energy involving and dissolving of mercurial chlorophylls. That is the creation of blood. It functions in biomechanical system of our bio-body bag. That's why we are alive. So aliveness is the basic element. Through the air, and through the air, it creates, the combination of these two creates a specific genetical mercurial enlightenings. We all are having a separate genetical bioassets. So our bioassets are having a specific seed life and a specific soil life, and we are an alive amalgam of both of that, a combination. And that is the reason of difference in between we all. Even one can find difference in twins also. And that is the reason, because solar energy is giving continuously the aliveness. So aliveness is through solar energy. And lunar energy is changing and changing, ever changing. Its changings are so fast that even astronomy is unable to understand. But I can tell you, while we are just fluctuating the ice, palak jhapakne ke satve hisse mein, the 1/7 part of our closing of the eyes, the mooning changes. That is, we cannot measure. We cannot measure the aliveness. We cannot measure. All the measuring yardsticks are created by we intelligent people to measure our creations. We cannot measure the natural providings. We cannot measure the potency of life. We cannot measure the potency of love. We cannot measure the potency of aliveness. We cannot measure the potency of mercurial chlorophylls. We cannot measure. They are available to all of us. We have to accept as it is, as it should be. So, I am taking you back again to the astro part of biosensual receptors, because we all are in the journey of learning from our birth to death. And birth and death is just nothing. It's just a starting of a journey of learning through biosensual receptors. And when biosensual receptors stops functioning, then that is called coma. We are alive, but we are having a vegetative life. So, how to enjoy the joy of enjoying the life actually, naturally, really? I'm here. If we want to enjoy the joy of healthy life, then we must have to know about the spiritual technology, what functions, how they are functioning. We must have to know about the terminology of that technology which is functioning. We are just user, but we are unknown. Why we are unknown? Because elementary knowledge is not available. We are just available the using knowledge. Okay, go on using and keep the seeing of feelings, and whatever knowing keep in the memorial museum of mind to taste the tasted taste of past, and then go on desiring to see more and more till the death. But we have to be very friendly. How we can become friendly to our biosensual receptors? We must have to understand that they are having a spiritual technology of functioning. Biomechanical system is just holding in the biomechanical system of these sensual receptors. They are holding them in bio-body bag. That's all. They are functioning through their techno ability, which is available through the World Wide Web of Wisdom. That is, WW is available before the WW is created by man-made WW. World Wide Web of Wisdom is available since the origin. Yes, it is available, wisdom. Man created the intelligentsia, but nature provides the wisdom. The wealth of those involvings which provide a specific enlightening of aliveness management. That is called wisdom energy. We are using wisdom energy. No one teaches us. As the child gets birth, no need to go to school. A child knows since the birth how to open the eye, how to see the eye, how to use the eye. A child inhales the air without knowing the system of inhaling. He goes for listening without knowing the micro system of these mics, and tongue knows how to taste the tastings of those amalgamed elements which we are taking as a food. Finger knows how to touch the textures and feel their outer texturings. No one teaches. These souls are having born wise. They are providing 5 sensual receptions which describes a specific knowings. Without them, we are just 10% alive. Our vegetative life, when we are in coma, then biologists, the doctors, the experts says that, okay, let us wait and pray. Let us pray and pray. Because they can treat the vegetative life of bio-body back. They are having a secondary and higher secondary knowledge, but they are not knowing the elementary knowledge of system, how the spiritual technology is functioning, and providing the techno-wisdom to all our 5 bio-sensual receptors. That is the beauty. If we know, if the soul of mind knows this system, then our soul of mind, who is born innocent, alone and orphan, who is in the journey of learning, can be very friendly with the 5 bio-sensual souls, those who are driving the sensual drivings of deriving the 5 specific techno details, whose alive films are available to we all to see by our seer eye, through our seer soul. Of seer eye, our mind can see the incoming of feeling, and by seeing the feeling, mind can go for knowing the specific. This is what the journey of learning tells us. If we are friendly with these 5 souls, then one can find that 90% one is spiritually healthy. If the person is 90% physically, spiritually healthy, then physically health is just only 10%. It's not more than that. Yes, it is described in Veda, it's described in the Ayurveda, it's described in the Jivana Shastram, it is described in the aliveness technology. Without aliveness, no life. So aliveness is coming through air, and we all are alive. But when we are not taking precaution and prevention, and we are treating natural thing unnaturally, we are purchasing so many problems, then we are searching the solution, then we are sick. We may be physically sick, we may be psychologically sick, We may be intellectually sick also. Because if we are eager to know about something and we are not getting known, then that is called intelligent sickness. We are not having that intelligence part. And if we are going on desiring and desiring, because mind